In this tutorial, I will show you another scrunchie design using patterned fabric and colorful pom-poms. Grab a piece of fabric. Measure it 28 inches by 5 inches. Grab a ruler and a crayon and mark lines like this. Grab a few different colored threads. Use different patterns on your sewing machine to stitch and make different colored patterns on the lines on your fabric piece. It should look like this. Then iron these. Grab 4 different colored yarns. Tie some yarn around 2 of your fingers and then tie it up in the middle. We will use these as pom-poms to decorate the scrunchie. Grab one at a time and start laying them down your fabric, like this. Do the same to the other fabric piece. Stitch these pom-poms onto the fabric as you go down. It should look like this. You can also use this as lace for sleeve design. Now grab your scissors and cut the sides of the pom-poms. It should look like this. For the next part, I will show you a demo. Fold and then stitch this side. Fold the top and bottom sides to the middle. Then fold again, tightly. Then fold the bottom side underneath, over the middle, to the top. Then begin stitching. Remember to pull as you go down and then continue to stitch. Leave the corner at the end open. Grab the middle section and pull it out as you go. This is where the elastic will go. Hook an elastic piece and drag it through, to the end. Then knot it at the end. Then stitch this corner. And you're done. These look so beautiful. Follow my channel for more scrunchie related content and easy ideas. Add these to your summer scrunchie collection.
Thanks for watching.